We're trying to work out what gives you the biggest buzz. The thrill is in the risk.
The weirdest buzz I ever had was when I did a Ouija board.
You believe in that shit?
You wait till you see that glass swung across the table, my friend. It's a buzz. So would you call up a dead babe, Marilyn Monroe? You'd end up with that Marilyn Manson.
Ask if it can tell the future.
The glass is hard. That's friction. All day.
Whoever's doing this, can they just stop it? J-I-N. Say something.
We're getting killed one by one.